I'm Libby from the Ian Potter Library at Alfred Health. The Ian Potter Library is a medical library supporting a wide range of users, including staff at Alfred Health, researchers from the Burnet Institute, and staff, students and researchers from Monash and La Trobe universities that are based at an Alfred Health site. This video gives you an overview of the key services we offer at the library and how to access them. You can use the chapter markers in order to skip to a particular section, or you can watch this video in full. To start using our library services and borrow items, you need a library barcode. To get one, you will need to visit us during our open office hours, which are from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on weekdays. We are located in the Innovation and Education Hub, which is accessible to anyone who has swipe card access in the Alfred Hospital. Just tap on the window of the library office and one of our helpful librarians will assist you. Just ask for them to sign you up. You'll get a barcode sticker, which you can then attach to your staff or student ID. Once you have your barcode, you can easily borrow items using our self-service loans kiosk in the library. As long as you have your swipe card, you can access the library 24/7 and use the self-service kiosk and returns chute to borrow and return books. The easiest way to access our library catalogue is to visit our library website at alfredlibrary.org. If you're on our homepage, click Search the Catalogue and you will be brought straight to it. This is our catalogue. You can use the search box to type in keywords related to what you are looking for. When you search, you will have lots of different types of results turn up. The first kind is physical books. You can identify them because they will say the format is print and they will have a call number associated with it. This number tells you where it is on the shelf. The second type of result will be ebooks. You can identify them because they will say electronic resource in the title. There will be two links provided so that you can access the item. The first is click to access full text online, which is for when you're on a computer connected to the Alfred Health network, which includes most computers on site at Alfred Health locations, including any of the library computers. The second link is for when you are accessing the resource offsite. For that, you will also need an Open Athens account. I will show you how to create an Open Athens account later on in this video. The last type of items you will see is Kindle books. You can identify them by seeing the Kindle label in the title. To access those, you will need to borrow the associated Kindle which has that book on it. The Kindles are not kept on our library shelves. Instead, you need to visit during our opening hours and ask a librarian to borrow one, or else you can place a hold on a Kindle online. See our video on how to use the Kindles to get a better idea of how they work. There are two ways that you can search our collection of academic e-journals. The first method is if you are using a computer connected to the Alfred Health network. This includes most of the computers on site at an Alfred Health location, including the computers in the library. However, there are occasional exceptions. If you go to our library homepage and click Find a Journal, you will see an A to Z list of all the journals we have access to. We have also created lists of journals for specific subject areas, which you can find by clicking Subjects. Here you will see a list of many different medical topics, which will have the journals related to that specific topic. If you return back to the e-journals list, you can also search the journals by title. For each search result, we have at least one link to where you can access the journal. Sometimes we have access to the same journal from multiple providers, and so there will be multiple links shown. We have also specified the date ranges for where we have full text access for that journal. This is important to keep in mind if you want articles from a specific time period, so check that the dates we have match up with what you are looking for. When you're on site, you should be able to then click the link and it will immediately take you to that journal. If you wish to access our collection of academic journals off-site, you will need to go to a different link. On the Alfred Library homepage, you can click Find a Journal Offsite and you will be taken to our offsite e-journals list. It does look very similar to our on-site e-journals list, but at the top it will say offsite so that you will know that you are on the offsite journals list. Similarly to the on-site journals, we have a subject list where we have organized journals according to subject. Here you can also search for journals based on the title. You will notice that in these search results it will say Open Athens login required. Open Athens is a service that authenticates that you are a member of the Ian Potter Library so that you can access the journals from home. This means that you will need to create an Open Athens account before you click on any of the journals. To create an Open Athens account, visit the link that is on the screen and fill out the form. You will have a confirmation link sent to you, which you will need to open on-site on an Alfred Health Network computer, for example, one of the computers of the library. After you have confirmed, you can access the journals from home, but you will need to log into your Open Athens account each time. We offer a range of classes to assist people on how to search, especially on how to search prominent medical databases such as Medline. Database searching is an important skill, and our knowledgeable librarians can teach you on how to perform proper and thorough searching. Our classes cater to a range of audiences depending on the topic. Some are catered to Alfred Health and Burnett Institute, and some are catered to Monash and La Trobe University. We publish the dates and times for our classes on a monthly basis. You can access the upcoming list of classes by going to the Alfred Library homepage and clicking the Events tab. To book a class, click on the title, click Register, and fill in your details. All of our classes run on Zoom, and you will be emailed your Zoom link shortly before the class starts. If you didn't understand something in this video, or you have a question to ask, you can contact the Ian Potter Library via email at library@alfred.org.au. Thank you for watching.